First, you have to remove this cover. Unscrew these two nuts using a 8mm socket. Because the connector is stuck, I decided to remove the bulb holder from the lamp. Now you can remove the lamp from the car. This is the module that needs to be replaced. Remove the module and disconnect the plug. I bought two compatible modules. Reconnect the plug and put the module in place. With the lamp removed from the car, I was able to disconnect the plug and I will install the bulb holder now. Connect the plug and you can install the lamp back on the car. Reinstall the nuts using the same 8mm socket. Now you can put back this cover. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.